थोड़ी देर इंतजार करो. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. चलो घूमने चलें. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? आप मेरी मदद करो. Help me up. Help me up. खाली मत बैठो. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे. God bless you. God bless you. सीधे बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Or you can say sit upright. Sit upright. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की. He never cared for me. He never cared for me. आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. आप होश में तो हैं? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. I think so. मैं खो गया हूँ. I am lost. I am lost. मैं मना करता हूँ. I decline. I decline. मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. मजे करो. Have fun. Have fun. रहने भी दो. Forget it. Forget it. आराम से. Relax. Relax. आँख मत मारो. Don't wink. Don't wink. ध्यान रहे. Watch out. Watch out. मैं समझ गया. I see. I see. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. मैं सब कुछ देखता हूँ. I observe everything. I observe everything. क्या सब तैयार हैं? Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? चुगली मत करो. Don't backbite. Don't backbite. टेंशन मत लो. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. अपनी हद में रहो. Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. Let me see. मूर्ख मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. यह काबिले तारीफ है. He is worth praising. He is worth praising. मेरा पेट आज खराब है. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ भी तो नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. मेरे सिर में दर्द है. I have a headache. I have a headache. उसे सब पता है. He knows everything. He knows everything. क्या हो गया? What happened? What happened? कैसे हो गया? How did this happen? How did this happen? चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. ध्यान से. Be careful. Be careful. वो सही कह रहा है. He is right. He is right. मुझे देखो. Look at me. वह मेरा है. That is mine. That is mine. आइए शुरू करें. Let's get started. Let's get started. खाना खाओ. Eat food. Eat food. जाओ नहीं. Don't go. Don't go. खुश रहो. Stay happy. Stay happy. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? हमारे साथ चलो. Come with us. Come with us. हमारे पास समय है. We have time. We have time. वह अच्छा लग रहा है. He looks good. He looks good. कृपया धीरे धीरे बोलें. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. See you again. कोई बात नहीं. Never mind. Never mind. जल्दी मिलेंगे. See you soon. See you soon. अब क्या? What now? What now? मेरा भरोसा करो. Believe me. Believe me. बहुत बढ़िया. Too good. Too good. किस लिए? What for? What for? इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. उसे यहाँ लाओ. Get it here. Get it here. मैं कोशिश करूँगी. I will try. I will try. हमेशा सच बोलो. Always tell the truth. Always tell the truth. हिम्मत मत हारो. Don't give up. Don't give up. पैदल जाओ. Go on foot. Go on foot. यह बहुत ही आसान है. It's a breeze. It's a breeze. मैं कान खोल कर सुन रही हूँ. I am all ears. I am all ears. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा. I will always be with you. I will always be with you. कुछ भी ले आओ. Bring anything. Bring anything. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am always with you. I am always with you. क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? बाहर मत खेलो. Don't play outside. Don't play outside. ये तुम्हारा वहम है. It's your illusion. It's your illusion. मैं यहाँ खासकर आपसे मिलने आया हूँ. I came here specially to meet you. I came here specially to meet you. क्या तुम अभी अभी उठी हो? Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up? ये सब क्या है? What is all this? What is all this? मैं थोड़ा ले लूं? Can I take a little bit? Can I take a little bit? अभी नहीं. Not yet. Not yet. पर मुझे अभी चाहिए था. But I wanted it right now. But I wanted it right now. कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? Is something wrong? Is something wrong? नहीं, कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं है. No, nothing is wrong. No, nothing is wrong. खुश रहो. Stay happy. Stay happy. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? हमारे साथ चलो. Come with us. Come with us. हमारे पास समय है. We have time. We have time. मैं आपको बहुत याद करती हूँ. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ता हूँ. I study English. I study English. मुझे वापस कॉल करना. Call me back. Call me back. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. धीरे धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. मुझे भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. यहाँ रुको. Stay here. Stay here. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे माफ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What's in your pocket? What's in your pocket? जोर से बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. धीरे बोलो. Speak softly. Speak softly. तेज बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो. Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. चाबी कहाँ है? Where is the key? Where is the key? पानी पियो. Drink water. Drink water. बिल कितना है? How much is the bill? How much is the bill? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. फिर से कहो. Say it again. Say it again. यह बहुत महंगा है. This is too expensive. This is too expensive. रास्ता बताओ. Show the way. Show the way. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. किताबें कहाँ हैं? Where are the books? Where are the books? इसे साफ करो. Clean this. Clean this. अभी रुको. Stop now. Stop now. आगे बढ़ो. Move forward. Move forward. पीछे हटो. Move back. Move back. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. इंतजार करो. Wait. Wait. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. वहाँ जाओ. Go there. Go there. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. इसे पढ़ो. Read this. Read this. इसे लिखो. Write this. Write this. चुप रहो. Be quiet. Be quiet. मुस्कुराओ. Smile. Smile. रो मत. Don't cry. Don't cry. हंसो. Laugh. Laugh. बच के. Watch out. Watch out. इसे आजमाओ. Try this. Try this. यह मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. चलो चलें. Let's walk. Let's walk. यह बहुत ठंडा है. It's very cold. It's very cold. यह गर्म है. It's hot. It's hot. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. फोन करो. Make a call. Make a call. फोन मत करो. Don't call. Don't call. तस्वीर लो. Take a picture. Take a picture. तस्वीर मत लो. Don't take a picture. Don't take a picture. वीडियो बनाओ. Make a video. Make a video. यह रास्ता नहीं है. This is not the way. This is not the way. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. इसे खोलो. Open this. Open this. इसे बंद करो. Close this. Close this. इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. इसे मत ठीक करो. Don't fix this. Don't fix this. यह तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. यह मेरा नहीं है. This is not mine. This is not mine. अब समय नहीं है. There is no time now. There is no time now. दरवाजा खोल दो अभी. Open the door now. Open the door now. पानी गिर गया है. Water has spilled. Water has spilled. लाइट बंद कर दो. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. मुझे वह पसंद है. I like that. I like that. खाना तैयार है. Food is ready. Food is ready. किताबें वापस कर दो. Return the books. Return the books. कॉफी गरम है. Coffee is hot. Coffee is hot. मैं अभी आया. I just came. I just came. रास्ता बंद है. Road is closed. Road is closed. चाबी यहाँ रखो. Keep the key here. Keep the key here. बिल्ली भाग गई. Cat has run away. Cat has run away. बटन दबाओ अभी. Press the button now. Press the button now. छत पर जाओ. Go to the roof. Go to the roof. मुझे भूख लगी. I am hungry. I am hungry. चलो खाना खाएं. Let's eat food. Let's eat food. मैंने तुम्हें देखा. I saw you. I saw you. आवाज कम करो. Lower the volume. Lower the volume. सड़क पार करो. Cross the road. Cross the road. समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. चलो तैयार हो जाओ. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. खिड़की खोल दो. Open the window. Open the window. बस यहीं रुको. Stop right here. Stop right here. मैंने सुना नहीं. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. चलो वापस चलें. Let's go back. Let's go back. यह किताब पढ़ो. Read this book. Read this book. फोन बज रहा है. Phone is ringing. Phone is ringing. पता नहीं चला. Don't realize. Don't realize. अचानक सब रुका. Suddenly everything stopped. Suddenly everything stopped. दीवार पर टंगी है. It's hang on the wall. It's hang on the wall. कमरा साफ है. Room is clean. Room is clean. मौसम अच्छा है. Weather is nice. Weather is nice. बात मत करो. Don't talk. Don't talk. नोट लिख लो. Take a note. Take a note. यह मत भूलो. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. पैसे गिन लो. Count the money. Count the money. सब चेक कर लो. Check everything. Check everything. सीट बेल्ट बांधो. Buckle up. Buckle up. चाय पी लो. Have some tea. Have some tea. चाबियां मत भूलना. Don't forget the keys. Don't forget the keys. बिल्ली खा रही है. The cat is eating. The cat is eating. कुत्ता बाहर है. The dog is outside. The dog is outside. मैं दवाई ले रहा. I am taking medicine. I am taking medicine. बाजार बंद है. The market is closed. The market is closed. अलार्म बज रहा है. The alarm is ringing. The alarm is ringing. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. रोटी बना लो. Make some rotis. Make some rotis. मोबाइल चार्ज करो. Charge the mobile. Charge the mobile. किताबें रख दो. Put away the books. Put away the books. पानी उबाल दो. Boil the water. Boil the water. बच्चे सो रहे हैं. The children are sleeping. The children are sleeping. दरवाजा बंद कर दो. Close the door. Close the door. लाइट जलाना मत भूलो. Don't forget to turn on the light. Don't forget to turn on the light. ध्यान से चलो, वॉक केयरफुली, वॉक केयरफुली। खिड़की खोल दो, ओपन द विंडो, ओपन द विंडो। तुम्हारी बारी है, इट्स योर टर्न, इट्स योर टर्न। अखबार पढ़ लो, रीड द न्यूज़पेपर, रीड द न्यूज़पेपर। जल्दी करो, देर हो रही है। हरी अप, इट्स गेटिंग लेट, हरी अप, इट्स गेटिंग लेट। सूरज निकल आया है, द सन हैज राइजन, द सन हैज राइजन। चाय तैयार है, द टी इज रेडी, द टी इज रेडी। मुझे याद नहीं है, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, आई डोंट रिमेंबर। सब ठीक है, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन। आज क्या पकाऊं? What should I cook today? What should I cook today? यह तो ठीक नहीं है, This is not fair, This is not fair. अपना स्वभाव बदलो, Change your behavior, Change your behavior. यह तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है, It's your duty, It's your duty. तुमने अच्छा काम किया, You did a good job, You did a good job. बातों को घुमाओ मत, Don't twist the words, Don't twist the words. एक महीना हो गया है, It has been a month, It has been a month. अगली बार, Next time, Next time. पिछली बार, Last time, Last time. बिल्कुल, Of course, Of course. मेरी गर्दन में दर्द है, My neck hurts, My neck hurts. मैंने पहले ही खा लिया, I ate already, I ate already. आकर बैठो, Come and sit, Come and sit. एक तरफ हट जाओ, Move aside, Move aside. मैं वादा करता हूँ, I promise, I promise. मैं परेशानी में हूँ, I am in trouble, I am in trouble. मेरे साथ पंगे मत लो, Don't mess with me, Don't mess with me. वह बहुत घमंडी है, He is so arrogant, He is so arrogant. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, I don't want to bother you, I don't want to bother you. तुम अभी तक यहीं पर हो, You are still here, You are still here. ध्यान से देखो, Watch carefully, Watch carefully. रोना बंद करो, Stop crying, Stop crying. सीधे होकर बैठो, Sit up straight, Sit up straight. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है, This is all your fault, This is all your fault. कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए, Please speak slowly, Please speak slowly. बाद में याद दिलाना, Remind me later, Remind me later. तुम बहुत बातूनी हो, You are very talkative, You are very talkative. क्या तुम्हें पता है? Do you know? Do you know? मुझे डर लग रहा है, I am getting scared, I am getting scared. उसे परेशान मत करो, Don't bother him, Don't bother him. एक ज़माने में, Once upon a time, Once upon a time. मुझे आपसे नफ़रत है। आई हेट यू। आई हेट यू। मेरे साथ पंगे मत लो। डोंट मेस विद मी। डोंट मेस विद मी। हाँ मैं यह कर सकता हूँ। येस आई कैन डू दिस। येस आई कैन डू दिस। नहीं बस ऐसे ही। नो जस्ट लाइक दैट। नो जस्ट लाइक दैट। ठंडा पानी मत पियो। डोंट ड्रिंक कोल्ड वाटर। डोंट ड्रिंक कोल्ड वाटर। इसे मत करो। डोंट डू इट। डोंट डू इट। बिल्कुल चिंता मत करो। डोंट वरी एट ऑल। डोंट वरी एट ऑल। तुम्हारा भाई कैसा है? हाउ इज़ योर ब्रदर? हाउ इज़ योर ब्रदर? यहाँ ध्यान दो। फोकस हियर। फोकस हियर। मुझे कुछ कहना है। आई हैव टू से समथिंग। आई हैव टू से समथिंग। चुपचाप बाहर जाओ। गो आउट क्वाइटली। गो आउट क्वाइटली। अभी नहीं बाद में। नॉट नाउ लेटर। नॉट नाउ लेटर। मैं तुमसे लंबी हूँ। आई एम टॉलर देन यू। आई एम टॉलर देन यू। आप क्या कर रहे हो? वट आर यू डूइंग? वट आर यू डूइंग? मुझे कल याद दिलाना। रिमाइंड मी टुमारो। रिमाइंड मी टुमारो। मुझे बहुत अफसोस है। आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी। आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी। यह फिल्म डरावनी थी। दैट मूवी वॉज स्कैरी। दैट मूवी वॉज स्कैरी। मुझे परवाह नहीं। आई डोंट केयर। आई डोंट केयर। मेरा यकीन करो। बिलीव मी। बिलीव मी। हम लाचार हैं। वी आर हेल्पलेस। वी आर हेल्पलेस। मैंने किसी को नहीं देखा। आई डिडंट सी एनीवन। आई डिडंट सी एनीवन। अपने आप को बदलो। चेंज योर सेल्फ। चेंज योर सेल्फ। फ़ोन मत काटना। डोंट हैंग अप। डोंट हैंग अप। धैर्य रखो। हैव पेशेंस। हैव पेशेंस। अंधेरा हो रहा है। इट्स गेटिंग डार्क। इट्स गेटिंग डार्क। उसका पीछा मत करो। डोंट फॉलो हिम। डोंट फॉलो हिम। आवाज़ मत करो। डोंट मेक नॉइस। डोंट मेक नॉइस। थोड़ा सा मुझे दो। गिव मी सम। गिव मी सम। यहाँ ध्यान दो। फोकस हियर। फोकस हियर। इसे मिटाओ। इरेज इट। इरेज इट। फ़ोन उठाओ। आंसर द फ़ोन। आंसर द फ़ोन। मुझे पसंद नहीं। आई डोंट लाइक। आई डोंट लाइक। ठीक से चलो। वॉक प्रॉपरली। वॉक प्रॉपरली। मुझसे नफ़रत मत करो। डोंट हेट मी। डोंट हेट मी। और कुछ दिखाओ। शो समथिंग एल्स। शो समथिंग एल्स। जोखिम मत उठाओ। डोंट टेक रिस्क। डोंट टेक रिस्क। वहाँ कौन जा रहा है? हु इज़ गोइंग देयर? हु इज़ गोइंग देयर? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. यहाँ कोई नहीं है. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. मुझे फ़ोन करो. Call me. Call me. मेरी रुचि नहीं है. I am not interested. I am not interested. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. लालची मत बनो. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. यह वाला ले लो. Take this one. Take this one. मैं बहुत पतला हूँ. I am so skinny. I am so skinny. इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो. Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. अपनी समस्याओं का सामना करो. Face your problems. Face your problems. धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. और धीरे चलो. Walk more slowly. Walk more slowly. मुझे दोष मत दो. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. वह अंग्रेज़ी में कमज़ोर है. He is weak in English. He is weak in English. यह थोड़ा महंगा है. It's a bit costly. It's a bit costly. यह बुरी बात है. That's a bad thing. That's a bad thing. यह अच्छी बात है. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. मैं तुम्हारे पक्ष में हूँ. I am on your side. I am on your side. अपने नाखून काट लो. Cut your nails. Cut your nails. सुई में धागा डाल दो. Thread the needle. Thread the needle. विनम्र बनो. Be polite. Be polite. यह तुम्हारा काम है. It's your work. It's your work. मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. जाओ मज़े करो. Go enjoy yourself. Go enjoy yourself. वह अब नहीं रहे. He is no more. He is no more. संक्षेप में बोलो. Say in brief. Say in brief. उम्मीद रखो. Have hope. Have hope. चलो कुछ खाते हैं. Let's eat something. Let's eat something. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. यह तुम्हारे लिए है. It's for you. It's for you. यह बहुत बुरा है. It's awful. It's awful. जो ज़रूरी है वो करो. Do the necessary. Do the necessary. खुद पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to yourself. Pay attention to yourself. मुझे आराम करने दो. Let me take rest. Let me take rest. मेरे आगे चलो. Walk ahead of me. Walk ahead of me. अपना परिचय दो.
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझे वहाँ ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? मुझे घर ले चलो. Take me home. Take me home. आगे आगे चलो. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. ये सब आपका है. It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो. Stop working. Stop working. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो. Try at once. Try at once. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. मुझे बुरा लग रहा है. I feel bad. I feel bad. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? गुस्सा मत हो. Don't get angry. Don't get angry. तुम्हारी क्या समस्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. तुम मुझे गलत समझ रहे हो. You are misunderstanding me. You are misunderstanding me. यह सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. This sounds good. This sounds good. मुझे आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई. I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. क्या तुम इसे देख सकते हो? Can you see this? Can you see this? मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. तुम्हें अभ्यास करना चाहिए. You should practice. You should practice. मुझे उम्मीद है. I hope so. I hope so. तुम खुश क्यों नहीं हो? Why are not you happy? Why are not you happy? मुझे मिर्ची लगी. The chili is spicy for me. The chili is spicy for me. तुम्हें समझ में आया? Did you understand? Did you understand? मुझे मज़ा आया. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. तुम बहुत बहादुर हो. You are very brave. You are very brave. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. तुम हमेशा सही हो. You are always right. You are always right. मुझे खुशी है. I am happy. I am happy. तुम्हें गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? Why are you getting angry? Why are you getting angry? क्या तुम कल आओगे? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुम्हें यह पसंद नहीं है. Don't you like this? Don't you like this? क्या यह सच्ची बात है? Is this a true thing? Is this a true thing? तुम्हें आराम करना चाहिए. You should take rest. You should take rest. मैं भूल गया. I forgot. I forgot. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा. I don't understand anything. I don't understand anything. क्या तुम्हें पानी चाहिए? Do you need water? Do you need water? तुम्हें जल्दी आना चाहिए. You should come early. You should come early. यह सच है. This is true. This is true. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. तुम्हें अपनी किताब पढ़नी चाहिए. You should read your book. You should read your book. तुम बहुत सुंदर हो. You are very beautiful. You are very beautiful. मुझे अब जाना है. I have to go now. I have to go now. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? तुम्हारा काम अच्छा है. Your work is good. Your work is good. मुझे माफ कर दो. Forgive me. Forgive me. तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Where is your house? Where is your house? मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. तुम बहुत तेज हो. You are very fast. You are very fast. क्या तुम सच कह रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? मुझे जल्दी जाना है. I need to go quickly. I need to go quickly. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't need anything. I don't need anything. तुम बहुत चालाक हो. You are very clever. You are very clever. क्या तुम सुन रहे हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. I don't understand. I don't understand. तुम्हारी आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी है. Your voice is very nice. Your voice is very nice. तुम्हें आराम करना चाहिए. You should rest. You should rest. मुझे मदद चाहिए. I need help. I need help. क्या तुम मुझे समझा सकते हो? Can you explain to me? Can you explain to me? तुम्हें जल्दी उठना चाहिए. You should wake up early. You should wake up early. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. इसे खोलो. Open this. Open this. इसे बंद करो. Close this. Close this. इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. इसे मत ठीक करो. Don't fix this. Don't fix this. यह तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. यह मेरा नहीं है. This is not mine. This is not mine. अब समय नहीं है. There is no time now. There is no time now. दरवाजा खोल दो अभी. Open the door now. Open the door now. पानी गिर गया है. Water has spilled. Water has spilled. लाइट बंद कर दो. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. मुझे वह पसंद है. I like that. I like that. खाना तैयार है. Food is ready. Food is ready. किताबें वापस कर दो. Return the books. Return the books. कॉफी गरम है. Coffee is hot. Coffee is hot. मैं अभी आया. I just came. I just came. रास्ता बंद है. Road is closed. Road is closed. चाबी यहाँ रखो. Keep the key here. Keep the key here. बिल्ली भाग गई. Cat has run away. Cat has run away. बटन दबाओ अभी. Press the button now. Press the button now. छत पर जाओ. Go to the roof. Go to the roof. मुझे भूख लगी. I am hungry. I am hungry. चलो खाना खाएं. Let's eat food. Let's eat food. मैंने तुम्हें देखा. I saw you. I saw you. आवाज कम करो. Lower the volume. Lower the volume. सड़क पार करो. Cross the road. Cross the road. समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. चलो तैयार हो जाओ. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. खिड़की खोल दो. Open the window. Open the window. बस यहीं रुको. Stop right here. Stop right here. मैंने सुना नहीं. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. चलो वापस चलें. Let's go back. Let's go back. यह किताब पढ़ो. Read this book. Read this book. फोन बज रहा है. Phone is ringing. Phone is ringing. पता नहीं चला. Don't realize. Don't realize. अचानक सब रुका. Suddenly everything stopped. Suddenly everything stopped. दीवार पर टंगी है. It's hang on the wall. It's hang on the wall. कमरा साफ है. Room is clean. Room is clean. मौसम अच्छा है. Weather is nice. Weather is nice. बात मत करो. Don't talk. Don't talk. नोट लिख लो. Take a note. Take a note. यह मत भूलो. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. वो लोग आएंगे. They will come. They will come. वह जा रहा है. He is going. He is going. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे पानी चाहिए. I need water. I need water. क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? What is happening? मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. तुम्हें नींद आ रही है. You are feeling sleepy. You are feeling sleepy. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. सच बोलो. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. इसे वापस रखो. Put it back. Put it back. इसे अपने पास रखो. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. Get ready. अपने बाल बना लो. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. मेरे लिए चाय बना दो. Make tea for me. Make tea for me. क्या तुम आ सकते हो? Can you come? Can you come? क्या कहा उसने? What did he say? What did he say? क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? May I sit here? आपका दिन शुभ हो. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. तमीज से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. मुझे वहां ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. मेरी बात लिख लो. Mark my words. Mark my words. मुझे घर ले चलो. Take me home. Take me home. ये सब आपका है. It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो. Stop working. Stop working. बाहर बहुत ठंड है. It's freezing outside. It's freezing outside. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. कृपया अंदर आएं. Please get in. Please get in. यह किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? कपड़ों को साबुन लगा दो. Soap the clothes. Soap the clothes. कपड़ों को ब्रश से साफ करो. Brush the clothes. Brush the clothes. मेरे पास एक आईफोन है. I have an iPhone. I have an iPhone. मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. मैं खुद ही चला जाऊंगा. I will go myself. I will go myself. तुम खुद ही चले जाओ. You go yourself. You go yourself. काम को टाल दो. Postpone the work. Postpone the work. मुझे कोहनी मत मारो. Don't nude me. Don't nude me. आग में कभी ना खेलें. Never play with fire. Never play with fire. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. मुझे 5 बजे उठा देना. Get me up at 5 o'clock. Get me up at 5 o'clock. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो. You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं. You are not reliable. You are not reliable. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो. Try at once. Try at once. बोल कर पढ़ो. Read out. Read out. समय पर आना. Come on time. Come on time. यहाँ कोई नहीं है. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. मुझे फोन करो. Call me. Call me. मेरी रुचि नहीं है. I am not interested. I am not interested. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. लालची मत बनो. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. यह वाला ले लो. Take this one. Take this one. मैं बहुत पतला हूँ. I am so skinny. I am so skinny. इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो. Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. अपनी समस्याओं का सामना करो. Face your problems. Face your problems. धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. और धीरे चलो. Walk more slowly. Walk more slowly. यह तुम्हारा काम है. It's your work. It's your work. मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. जाओ और मजे करो. Go enjoy yourself. Go enjoy yourself. वह अब नहीं रहे. He is no more. He is no more. संक्षेप में बोलो. Say in brief. Say in brief. उम्मीद रखो. Have hope. Have hope. चलो कुछ खाते हैं. Let's eat something. Let's eat something. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. यह तुम्हारे लिए है. It's for you. It's for you. यह बहुत बुरा है. It's awful. It's awful. जो जरूरी है वो करो. Do the necessary. Do the necessary. खुद पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to yourself. Pay attention to yourself. मुझे आराम करने दो. Let me take rest. Let me take rest. मेरे आगे चलो. Walk ahead of me. Walk ahead of me. अपना परिचय दो. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. एक और दिखाओ. Show me another. Show me another. फोन उठाओ. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. इसे संभालो. Handle this. Handle this. आगे जाओ. Go ahead. Go ahead. फिर से देखो. Look again. Look again. चलो खेलते हैं. Let's play. Let's play. अपना हुनर दिखाओ. Show your talent. Show your talent. कुछ करो. Do something. Do something. खुद से ले लो. Help yourself. Help yourself. चलो इसे करो. Do it. Do it. उठ जाओ. Get up. Get up. यह मेरी किस्मत है. It is my fate. It is my fate. सोच समझकर जवाब देना. Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. यह मेहमानों के लिए है. This is for the guests. This is for the guests. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मुझे कॉल मत करो. Don't call me. Don't call me. सावधान. Be careful. Be careful. मैं समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand. I can understand. तुम बहुत मासूम हो. You are so innocent. You are so innocent. मेरी बातों का बुरा मत मानो. Don't mind my words. Don't mind my words. तकलीफ देने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. Use your brain. Use your brain. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. उसे गाली मत दो. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. कल मिलते हैं। See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. इसे दिल पर मत लो। Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा। I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. मैं नाराज हूँ। I am pissed off. I am pissed off. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए। I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. तुम कुछ कहो। You say something. You say something. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो। You are awesome. You are awesome. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? उससे बात करो। Talk to him. Talk to him. मैंने बहुत सफाई की। I cleared it up. I cleared it up. मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ और तुम? I am great and you? I am great and you? बहुत देर हो चुकी है। It's too late. It's too late. अच्छा खाओ। Eat healthy. Eat healthy. क्या तुम्हें सच में लगता है उसे सब पता है? Are you sure he knows everything? Are you sure he knows everything? मुझे यह करने दो। Let me do this. Let me do this. आगे बढ़ो। Move forward. Move forward. पीछे जाओ। Move back. Move back. कितना प्यारा है। How cute. How cute. क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूं? Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? कल मेरी छुट्टी है। Tomorrow is my day off. Tomorrow is my day off. मुझे छींकें आ रही हैं। I am sneezing. I am sneezing. मुझे रोज हिचकियां आती हैं। I hiccup every day. I hiccup every day. वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? भूलना मत। Don't forget. Don't forget. मैं हिल नहीं सकता। I can't move. I can't move. उसे ढूंढने दो। Let him find out. Let him find out. क्या खुशबू है। What a fragrance. What a fragrance. मैंने इसे अभी बनाया है। I just made it. I just made it. क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे पता था। I knew it. I knew it. क्या वो चला गया? Has he gone? Has he gone? वो अब यहाँ नहीं है। He is no longer here. He is no longer here. यह एक लंबी कहानी है। It's a long story. It's a long story. बाद में मत पछताना। Don't regret later. Don't regret later. इतने कंजूस मत बनो। Don't be such a miser. Don't be such a miser. उसकी इतनी हिम्मत। How dare he? How dare he? थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. तुमने ऐसा जानबूझकर किया. You did this deliberately. You did this deliberately. वह एक जिद्दी बच्चा है. He is a stubborn child. He is a stubborn child. मैंने आपको उल्लू बनाया. I tricked you. I tricked you. कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to say anything. No need to say anything. मुझे रुलाओ मत. Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. इतना मेरे लिए काफी है. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. बारिश कब होगी? When will it rain? When will it rain? यह संघर्ष करने का समय है. It is time to struggle. It is time to struggle. क्या आपको समझ आया? Did you get it? Did you get it? मेरा खाना खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like eating. जरा देखने तो दो. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ रहा हूँ. I am not coming with you. I am not coming with you. मैं आस-पास ही था. I was around. I was around. सब बेकार है. Everything is useless. Everything is useless. ऐसा कभी मत करना. Never do so. Never do so. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए. I want your advice. I want your advice. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. आज बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain today. It may rain today. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? वह अच्छा लग रहा है. He looks good. He looks good. वह मेरा है. That is mine. That is mine. आइए शुरू करें. Let's get started. Let's get started. खाना खाओ. Eat food. Eat food. जाओ नहीं. Don't go. Don't go. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलती हूँ. I will catch you later. I will catch you later. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Do it fast. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. मैं पहले से ही तनावग्रस्त हूँ. I am already stressed. I am already stressed. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him in. Bring him in. ज़्यादा मत बोलो. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. मेरी सलाह मानो. Take my advice. Take my advice. बाहर कदम मत रखना. Don't step outside. Don't step outside. कृपया धीरे धीरे बोलें. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक है ना? Are you feeling well? Are you feeling well? क्या आप अभी भी नींद में हैं? Are you still sleepy? Are you still sleepy? बिना मोबाइल के बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go out without a mobile. Don't go out without a mobile. कम से कम एक बार तो आओ. Come at least once. Come at least once. मुझे वापस कॉल करें. Call me back. Call me back. तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? मैं और आगे नहीं बता सकता. I can't explain further. I can't explain further. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. वो क्या था? What was that? What was that? वो कुछ भी नहीं था. That was nothing. That was nothing. यह क्यों हुआ? Why did this happen? Why did this happen? यह बहुत जरूरी है. This is very important. This is very important. क्या यह पक्का है? Is it certain? Is it certain? यह काम करो. Do this job. Do this job. सब कुछ ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. सही जवाब. Correct answer. Correct answer. मुझे लगता है. I think so. I think so. इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. उसे बुलाओ. Call him. Call him. यह ठीक है. It is fine. It is fine. इसे ले लो. Take it. Take it. कोई समस्या नहीं. No problem. No problem. इसे वापस करो. Give it back. Give it back. यह क्यों हुआ? Why did this happen? Why did this happen? इसे पकड़ो. Hold this. Hold this. यह मेरी गलती है. It's my fault. It's my fault. मैंने किया. I did it. I did it. तुम सही हो. You are right. You are right. मैं कोशिश करूँगा. I will try. I will try. तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? ध्यान रखना. Take care. Take care. इसे अभी करो. Do it right now. Do it right now. क्या तुम आओगे? Will you come? Will you come? यह मेरी पसंद है. It is my choice. It is my choice. वह सही है. He is right. He is right. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? इसे समझो. Understand this. Understand this. यह मत भूलो. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is great. This is great. थोड़ा जल्दी करो. Hurry up a bit. Hurry up a bit. तुम इसे कर सकते हो. You can do it. You can do it. यह सब है. This is all. This is all. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? इसे मत कहो. Don't say it. Don't say it. उसे बताओ. Tell her. Tell her. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? इसे मिटाओ. Erase it. Erase it. तुम इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking around for? What are you looking around for? आप नाराज हैं क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. कितने दुख की बात है. How tragic. How tragic. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. जुबान पर काबू रखो. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. मुंह मत बनाओ. Don't make faces. Don't make faces. भरोसा रखो. Keep trust. Keep trust. उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो. Tell them everything. Tell them everything. गाड़ी रोको. Stop the car. Stop the car. तुम बहुत पतले हो. You are so thin. You are so thin. यह कब और कैसे हुआ? How and when did it happen? How and when did it happen? वापस आओ. Come back. Come back. यह बेकार है. It's useless. It's useless. मेरे बाद दोहराओ. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. मैं चल नहीं सकता. I can't walk. I can't walk. यह कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? क्या यह काम करेगा? Will it work? Will it work? इसे मत छुओ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. वापस जाओ. Go back. Go back. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? हम घर जा रहे हैं. We are going to home. We are going to home. मैं चाय नहीं पीता हूँ. I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck flowers. Don't pluck flowers. तुम कितने सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. ईर्ष्या मत करो. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. I don't understand.